Stop debt collectors and sue them. This video is on harassment. This is not legal advice. Seek a qualified attorney. For more information, go to www.stop-debt-collectors.info. Harassment. Among other things, debt collectors may not do the following. They cannot contact you without sending you a written notice in 5 days that states how much you owe. They cannot call you on your cell phone unless you put the number in a credit application. They cannot send you mail that shows others you are a debtor. They cannot try to collect a debt you do not owe. They cannot threaten you with violence or other harm. They cannot publish your name as a debtor. They cannot repeatedly make annoying phone calls to harass you into paying money. They cannot swear at you or use obscene or profane words. They cannot falsely claim they are attorneys, law enforcement officials, or other government officials. They cannot accuse you of being guilty of some crime. They cannot grab your assets or wages without a court order. They cannot slander your credit by making or threatening to make false reports to credit agencies. They cannot use phony names for themselves or their company. They cannot refuse to give you their name and address. They cannot lie about the amount you owe. They cannot threaten to slander your credit. They cannot send you papers that look like legal government or court papers. They cannot tell you that you will be arrested if you do not pay. They cannot sexually harass you on the phone. They cannot disclose your debt to others, as they could do by leaving a message on a public answering machine. They cannot call your friends, family, co-workers, neighbors, or others. They cannot falsely tell your spouse or other person that they are liable for your debts. They cannot threaten legal action like a lawsuit, garnishing your wages, putting a lien on your house. They cannot call you at work. They cannot contact you after you have told them in writing to stop. They cannot call you before 8 a.m. or after 9 p.m. They cannot not tell you who they are, their name of their company, and that they are trying to collect a debt. Your rights. If they do any of these, you can report them to government agencies that supervise them, including the Federal Trade Commission and state government agencies. In some cases, you can make a criminal complaint and get them prosecuted, and you can sue them for damages. In short, these obnoxious debt collectors have very few rights against you. They cannot contact you if you tell them not to. They cannot talk only with you, and they cannot abuse or lie to you. For a free consultation, contact the law offices of Bradley E. Essman, 118 East Tarpon Avenue, Suite 213, Tarpon Springs, Florida 34689. Telephone 727-768-2121. Attorney Essman at yahoo.com.